How to find Debutify coupon code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find Debutify coupon code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Debutify is a popular theme for Shopify store owners because it offers a range of advanced features and customization options that can help them create a professional-looking online store quickly and easily. It is easy to use, free to use, and loads quickly. So now go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for coupon code in .com/store/Debutify. Now scroll through in the interface that you will be led to and search for the offer that suits your preference the best and tap on the Get Code button. I will tap on this particular option. You will then be shown with the code, so go ahead and copy the code and paste it further in Debutify, and as you can see, I can get 99% off on Debutify for 1 month with this code. So, this was about how you can find Debutify coupon code. If you found the video helpful, please like the video and do comment on our video. And please do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end. See you on the next one.